I've been running from the quiet space, feeling silence just to feel okay. Every noise is drowning out the truth. I was scared of what I'd hear from you. In the stillness I began to feel something broken, trying just to heal. Every whisper cutting through my mind, like a light I could no longer hide. Kahare hona hona lelense, lempita butle butle, kene kele bale, empadrale, kiale udra. I hear the voice within me now. Dibu anete kabo pelo vaga. I'm not afraid of the truth inside. Kamo hela seo que le ensona. Que ne gipa dale fatin lena, que te abawi pona handi. Empadrale gai pumana, kahare holento leo. Now I'm standing face to face with every truth I tried to erase. In the silence I found my way to a brighter, honest place. Amoela, except Amoela, you are enough, ole kane. I hear my voices within me now. Dimponchatela yabo pelo within me now. I'm healing from the inside out within me now. Kitwela peli kamata within me now. The answers were always there. Kahare wena, the answers were